Hello, it's Monday, August the 22nd, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The US dollar fell against most of the major currencies as traders are expecting Federal Reserve Ben Bernanke to signal this week that the central bank will start a new monetary policy in order to help the United States economy. Stock markets closed negative as the Dow fell by 1.57% and the NASDAQ lost 1.62%. Crude oil dropped by 0.2% and closed at $82.26 a barrel after Morgan Stanley and Deutsche Bank AG cut their forecasts for global economic expansion. Gold strengthened by 6.30% last week and closed at $1,852.20 an ounce, an all-time record due to demand for an investment haven. Today, the MBA delinquency rates are expected at 7.76% versus 8.32% previously. The euro strengthened against the US dollar as currency traders put their trust in Trichet to save European countries like Greece and Portugal with a deficit in their budget. The momentum is bullish and facing strong resistance at 144.40. Overall, the euro dollar traded with a low of 143.81 and a high of 143.89. No economic data is expected today. The pound strengthened against the greenback after a 5-day rally. The currency declined after public sector net borrowing came out minus $2 billion better than forecast, 0.20 billion last Friday. The trend for the pair will remain bearish if it succeeds in breaking its support level of 164.80. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 164.85 and a high of 165.07. No economic data is expected today. The yen weakened against the US dollar, euro and pound during the Asian session. The dollar-yen has been struggling between 76.50 and 76.90. Overall, the dollar-yen pair traded with a low of 64.54 and a high of 77.20. No economic data is expected today. Finally, Australia's dollar. This stood at 0.9% after a one-week low versus the US dollar on signs the global economy is slowing, reducing demand for higher-yielding assets. The pair began the week in bearish mood, and should it fail to overcome resistance at 104.80, the momentum is set to become bearish again. No economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at maxiforex.ru.